Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Columbia Bank, a regional bank that's been gaining attention recently. Whether you're looking for a new bank for your personal or business needs, or just curious about how Columbia Bank stacks up against the competition, this review will help you get a clearer picture. We'll be covering both the advantages and disadvantages of banking with Columbia Bank, and I'll wrap up with a final rating out of 10. So let's get started. Advantages. First good point. Local, community-focused service. One of the standout aspects of Columbia Bank is their deep connection with the local community. They focus heavily on small businesses, community projects, and local charities. If you're someone who values contributing to the local economy and supporting businesses that give back, Columbia Bank really shines in this regard. Unlike national banks that can feel distant, Columbia Bank's personal touch makes a difference for those who prefer face-to-face interactions and local decision-making. Second good point. Wide range of business banking services. For small to medium-sized businesses, Columbia Bank offers an extensive suite of business services. From commercial loans to cash management solutions, they cater specifically to local businesses that need tailored financial solutions. Their business accounts are designed to help streamline cash flow, manage payrolls, and simplify operations. So if you're a business owner, this is definitely a plus. Third good point. Competitive rates on loans and mortgages. Columbia Bank offers competitive interest rates on personal loans and mortgages. They often provide flexible terms that make them appealing to first-time home buyers or anyone looking to refinance. The application process is also relatively straightforward, which can be a big relief compared to some of the more bureaucratic processes you might encounter with larger banks. Fourth good point. Personalized customer service. Because Columbia Bank isn't a massive national chain, they can offer a more personalized customer service experience. You're more likely to deal with real people instead of long waits on automated phone lines. Plus, many customers have reported that the staff go above and beyond to help solve issues or guide them through financial decisions. Disadvantages. First downside. Limited physical branch locations. While Columbia Bank has a solid regional presence, their branches are limited to specific areas in the Pacific Northwest. If you live outside of their service area or travel frequently, you may struggle to find a branch when you need one. This can be a significant inconvenience compared to the accessibility of nationwide banks. Second downside, outdated digital banking platform. A major drawback for Columbia Bank is their digital banking platform. Their app and online services are functional, but they lag behind in terms of user experience and features. For customers who prioritize tech-savvy solutions like instant mobile deposits or highly intuitive interfaces, Columbia Bank's platform can feel a bit outdated compared to more modern competitors. Third downside, lower availability of ATMs. Another limitation is the lower number of ATMs. While they are part of a larger network of ATMs, it's still not as extensive as some of the big-name banks, meaning you could face ATM fees or a lack of cash access in certain areas. This is definitely something to consider if easy access to ATMs is a priority for you. Fourth downside, less flexibility with credit card offerings. Columbia Bank doesn't offer as many credit card options as larger national banks. While they do have a few solid options, particularly for business owners, they lack the variety of rewards programs or cashback incentives that bigger banks provide. This could be a drawback for customers who want more perks from their banking relationship. Final rating. All right, so after weighing the pros and cons, how does Columbia Bank stack up overall? If you're looking for a bank that values community involvement, offers strong business banking services, and provides personalized customer service, Columbia Bank could be a great fit for you. However, their limited geographic reach and outdated digital services might be a deal-breaker for some, especially if you're tech-savvy or need a bank with a more widespread presence. Overall, I would rate Columbia Bank 7.5 out of 10. It's a solid option for those who prioritize personal service and local business support. But there are definitely areas where it could improve, particularly on the technology side. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or your own experiences with Columbia Bank.